What's up, guys? It's your boy, Crack-a-Lackin' Fishing. Pops is inside right now, but today we have a very special video today. Today, we are doing some modifications on the old 12-foot Jon Boat. Yes, the Jon Boat is being built today. We are going to try to build it into a bass boat. We're trying to build a deck to where it comes out from this place, the second seat, all the way to here. This is a 12-foot Jon Boat. We're trying to have a little front trolling motor, foot. Here we got foam. Trying to build a floor for the boat, but it's gonna take a lot of work. Trying to build a back deck. Sorry. Trying to do a lot of stuff today, so it's gonna be a multiple day process. I'm just hoping that we can get this as soon as possible. So if you guys wanna see this, make sure you guys stay tuned and stay prepared. And as always, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Why not? It's for free. $0.99 is for free. Not $0.99, free $0.99. But anyways, you know what I'm saying. Let's get into it. Enjoy today's video. Right here, we have the floor shaped right here. And we're gonna cut this bad boy out. Try to see if it fits. I hope it fits. We have templates over there, as you just saw earlier. We're just hoping and praise that everything goes well, guys, because this costs money. And if you mess up on the wood, you gotta go back to the store you bought the wood from, and it's a lot of the process, guys. So make sure when you do this, your measurements are precise, and make sure that you do templates. I advise you, if it's your first time, do templates. If it's not your first time, you've done this before, hey, do what you do. Just like fishing, there's no rules to fishing. So we are gonna cut this out. And here we go with the montage. Roll it.
I hate Kevin!
Okay, boys, we have cut this out, and this is what it's looking like. When we cut it, we didn't cut it in. Wow. So say for example, I was holding it like this. We didn't go in, and it went that way, and it went that way. We wanted to see if it could fit. And I advise you to do too, if you should do something like us. Just cut it out first, just to make sure it fit. I know it can't fit, obviously, because we don't have the inserts to go into these little pillars, 4 pillars. So right now, what we're about to do is we're about to reline it up, because see, for example, right there, this doesn't match up with that. So we're gonna make, with the blue marker, a different color marker, we're gonna cut it. And doesn't matter, because we're gonna paint over this, because that's not gonna show. We're gonna paint and carpet over this. We're gonna treat it first, and then we're gonna glue it, and then with that glue, we're gonna put the carpet on top. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we are on the next cut.
Hey, Kevin!
To learn, yes, I'm ready. 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 Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Well, we gotta put this. We gotta put the phone back down to see.
I know.
So what we're looking at, folks.
Alright, so yeah, let's put the phone back and put this back in here. Put the phone back in and put that on top. To make sure our shit is right.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut a centimeter off this, at least like this much. Alright folks, so let me give you a rundown of what's about to happen. So, I don't know if you guys saw this, but we successfully built the floor. And now what we're thinking about doing is, doing the deck. So basically today is like sketch day, you know, when you're in class and you gotta art 9:15 to 9:15. First, if you used to do a drawing project, you sketch it out, then you would add those undertones, light tones, and then you color. Today is our sketch. We're getting all the sketches done. Next time we do this, hopefully we'll have the deck modeled. We'll have the deck modeled by today, but next time we work on this boat, we will have we will treat the wood, and then the other half of the day we will glue on the carpet. Also on this deck right here, we are thinking about making a little opener, whatever you call it, storage case, however you want to call it. But we're going to start it from here. So we're trying to start it from here, and then we're going to make it here, 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 here. And as the deck, under the deck, we're going to add like little 2x4s, I don't know, little blocks, so it's able to walk on it without damaging the storage. Because if you used to step on it, it probably would warp. So that's what we're planning on doing on the storage area. Planning on keeping life jackets, insurance, our tackle, just anything really. Anything storage that doesn't need to be hanging around, you know? Right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but planning on making a rectangle and putting carpet on top of this, right? But we're gonna cut out carpet and put it on a piece of wood. So we're gonna have a piece of wood, and then we're gonna glue carpet on top. But before we glue the carpet on top, we're gonna make a square, or however big the rectangle is gotta be. Then we're gonna glue carpet on top of that cutout of that wood that we just did, and then we're gonna add a little hatch. Add a hatch right here, which is one big hatch, so you can open up the live well. And we're gonna build a live well inside the seat. Also, there's gonna be a string so you can step on it. It's gonna be a little string that you can lift up, so you can sit down here. This is just gonna be carpet and wood. We have floaties. What do you call it? I forgot what it's called, but we have the blue thing that we just had. I know you guys saw it. Whatever that is, mine's just not thinking right now. But so we plan on doing. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope we can get through this. See you guys in another montage. Let's go.